This is a 20-piece set of travel themed party decorations I was sent to review, so let me show you a closer look. There are 10 different designs, 2 of each. We've got a travel addict arrow, a passport photos arrow, bon voyage, adventure this way, desert island, in-flight drinks, pack your bags, adventure is worthwhile, adventure with me, suitcase, super cute. And the biggest one, let the adventure begin. They're all about 11 inches wide and they vary from 5 to 8 inches tall. The printing and details on these is just gorgeous. One side is kind of almost laminated. I think it's a paperboard with a film, but it's really nice and glossy. The reverse side is a matte paper, so you could write on here, you could pass it around, have people sign things, leave messages. Really versatile. There are no holes or anything. You could put push pins through here, a nail, you could hole punch it and string it on a banner. You could also put a stick or something here, tape it on and hold it on a stick. These are gorgeous and really fun, equally great for a travel lover's high school graduation party, a world traveler's retirement party, or to decorate a bon voyage celebration. These would also be fun if you're gifting a loved one a plane ticket or a vacation. You can kind of like leave hints and put these along the way to where they're gonna find their ticket or itinerary, whatever, like really fun. You can use these for a lot of different things. If you're careful, you could totally reuse these. They are really great, durable. I love them and I know you will too.